side do you want to be on? You want this side or that side?
Take this side. So went and disconnected everything. Cable, throttle, clutch, vacuum line, electronics, fuel, another electronic cable over here, ground and plus 12. The only thing that's got to change is the vacuum line came in over here. I had to take this cover off, disconnect the vacuum line. I took a couple pictures, and the new vacuum line is going to come in under here. So had to salvage the inside piece to get the length I needed. So we're going to pick this up and put it in the box. So I'm going to have to clean it up. Won't be taking a video of us cleaning. You can figure out how to clean, and then we'll go ahead and put the other engine in. So first, hold on. Wait. Grab where you can on that side. Ready, set, lift up. Just gotta get up by it. Dump it in. Yep. Okay. Motor off.
It's dirty.
A little dirty from all the leaks that the other motor had. We're gonna clean it up, and we'll video putting us in. Then I'll show you the pieces that we got to put together. All right, so I got everything somewhat connected. Fuel line crimped. This here is for the clutch. So it's going to go down here when I put the clutch back in. I haven't got down to the bottom stuff. Vacuum line, like I said, I had to extend because the other one went inside. This one comes, let's see if we can get it. Right here. That's where you put your vacuum lines for your tanks. Fuel, throttle, mine went into the middle position, so I put it back. Choke went to the top position, so I put it back. Those are all good. Over here, this is for the clock for the engine, plus ground. You can see it. Let me get in here. Ground right here to the bottom of the engine. Positive here. This here is the cable for the electronics. That's it. All I got to do is put oil in it. I got to still put the exhaust on it, and we should be able to roll. I already got fuel. I just need oil. And as tags say, no oil in engine. So all in all, it goes in there pretty quick. I still got to do the pulleys and stuff. Going to do that tomorrow. But at least I got the engine in. And the only thing I had to do really was extend the vacuum line.